Hey, what's going on, guys? Sean or Mustang 09 bringing you a new video, and today we are working on the Mustang and the truck. We have oil changes to do, and while that's nothing new to this channel, I've shown you guys how to do that for both of these vehicles. We're going to use this as an opportunity to do a little bit of catching up, so to say. There's been a lot going on in between videos. A lot of you know I have a new job, and I've been doing some other stuff on the side that's kind of been preventing me from bringing content to you guys, so I have to apologize for that, but I want to enlighten you guys to what that stuff was, and it's all been for a good cause, so I'm going to bring that to you. But first, we have to get underneath the truck and the Mustang and let this oil start draining. Oh, and for those that are going to ask, the truck, I have switched to 1540. This is the Motorcraft stuff. I know a lot of guys don't like it. I'm fine with it. Once again, filter FL2051S. And for my Mustang, I'm going to use what I've always used in that car, which has done great so far. It's this Mobil 1 stuff. So I've got this Mobil 1 stuff here, 5W20, full synthetic, everything I need to keep the Mustang running smooth. And there's a bit of an update for the Mustang. I'm supposed to be taking it in this current week, today's Sunday, to go get a tune, a custom tune, a dyno tune by a local guy here in Mansfield, Texas. So fingers crossed that goes through and we can get that thing tuned. We're looking at maybe going on some corn. So if that happens, I'm gonna be super, super stoked. But I think right now we're just gonna stick to some 93 octane and see what she does. So let's get started on this oil change real quick. Okie doke. So if you guys remember from the last time I did this, this stuff shoots out at about 307 miles an hour, or should I say 307 feet per second. This thing flies out of here. There's so much oil in this truck, 13 quarts. So what I've got to do is very carefully pull this plug out and catch all the oil in the drain pan. I got smart using a cardboard box this go around. So I've got it broke loose. It's going to be warm too. That's the other crappy thing. I don't have my rubber gloves that I would usually use for something like this. I do have a little rag though, so here goes nothing. Okay, it's getting really close. It's warm too, it's hot. All right, should have let it cool down a little bit more. We're sending it. We're like a half twist away. Caught most of it. Look how black it is. Jeez Louise. It's only been like 5,000 miles. So while I'm looking all seductive and this thing's draining, I want to go ahead and tell you guys a little bit about where I've been and what I've been up to. One of the things I did recently is my brother-in-law, Jason. He is an awesome dude, great singer, and he performed at a charity event to help stop sex trafficking. And so it was an awesome thing to do, and I'm going to show you a little clip of that right now.
There's a fire in my soul, I can't seem to get it out. Turn this child inside out, I hear my father crying out, come and take me to my home. Searchlight shining in the darkness, wrap me up in your arms. Searchlight shining in the darkness.
So like I said, that guy, he's really awesome, man. He's my brother-in-law. He wrote that song. That's all original. And he invited me out to come and film him while he sang and put together a little video. So that was a really cool opportunity, and he really knocked it out of the park. So that's one of the things I've been up to. It's really warm. I know some people say to pop a hole in this and let it drain out, but I don't know if I want to try that or not. Ugh. It's all in there. I may need to go do the Mustang first and then come back to this. While I wouldn't classify the Mustang as being harder, it's definitely not easier to change the oil on because we have like this stupid, this like, I don't know what you call it. It's like a, well, I don't know. It's a little plastic pan. It's dumb. It's you gotta undo this, get it out of the way, and it's never out of the way. The oil always drips on it and makes a mess. So, oh, it's just a process. Everything's a process.
Here, wait, what?
We were trying not to make eye contact with anybody, and then that girl. We had a close call earlier, boys. I got a little overheated, got a little hot. I had to go inside, take a break. This Texas heat is nothing to mess around with. So we're back to doing the oil change. I just filled up the filter, the new filter, so I'm gonna slap that underneath on the truck, put the oil in the truck. Conveniently enough, this is enough oil out of these three. There'll be some left over, so not a big deal. I think it comes out to like 15 quarts, and I need 13 for this truck. Now you got me questioning myself. Anyways, yeah, so we'll measure that out, put the right amount of oil in the truck, get this wrapped up, and then go finish the Mustang. Something else that I have been doing for you, while you guys have been waiting for videos, something I've been doing on the side to help out with, is I have made a video for my dad for one of his businesses, for the custom home business. So they had a model open house party. He completed his first model home ever. So that's super exciting. And what I wanted to do is commemorate that moment. We had the Chamber of Commerce come out, cut a ribbon. So it was a pretty big deal. Had a bunch of people come through, some really good barbecue catered by my buddy Casey Sullivan with Sully's Barbecue. So here is a clip of that right now, and enjoy. So as you can tell, it was a beautiful house and a great showing. Everybody came out, had a good time. And yeah, so that was just another thing that I've been busy doing that isn't really necessarily for YouTube, but it is using my skill set of making a video to help others, and that's something I enjoy doing. So now we are dumping the oil into the truck. Always a fun process now that the truck is a little bit taller. And I got a big old mosquito on my leg. I can feel it. I gotta get him. And she's living, boys. She's got 29,908 miles. Maybe we'll both hit 30 together. My birthday's coming up soon. It's pretty sick seeing the truck drive down the road. Courtney's driving it home for me. Oh, all the cars are done. Everything is looking good. I gotta make one pit stop, get some dog food, and then we're headed to the house, and that is gonna be it. Well, that's the best way to end a video. We are grabbing dinner at Whataburger. So as you can tell, I've been super busy lately. And one thing to add to that, Courtney's actually had a short-lived YouTube career. We don't know if she's gonna make more videos or not. She tried it out for a week and has seen the side of YouTube that daily vlogging is pretty difficult, And for me, uploading a video in a month has been pretty difficult, but I'm looking forward to changing that. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Shirley, you want to say hi?
Hi.
She is so happy. So we are done with this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you got a question about anything I've said, and I look forward to seeing you guys back here for the next one. Take it easy, boys. We'll catch you next time. Peace.